When you think of Africa, Kenya is most likely the image you have in mind. Kenya is one of those spectacular destinations that most travelers have on their Africa bucket list, and with good reason. There are a ton of magical places to visit in Kenya, each offering their own unique charm and attractions. The Masai Mara is where to go in Kenya for the famed and dramatic wildebeest migration, but there's also a great deal more to see in this East African country. It helps to divide the country's major holiday destinations. 1. Masai Mara National Reserve. Why visit? It's world famous for the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest, zebras and gazelles cross the Mara River from Tanzania's Serengeti. The Masai Mara is also home to the Big Five: lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard and rhino, and offers an authentic safari experience. What to do? Game drives, hot air balloon safaris and visits to Maasai villages to experience the culture of the Maasai people. Best time to visit: July to October for the Great Migration. 2. Amboseli National Park. Why visit? Amboseli is renowned for its majestic views of Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa. It's also famous for large herds of elephants, making it a paradise for wildlife photographers. What to do? Game drives to see elephants, lions, cheetahs, and giraffes. You can also visit local Maasai communities. Best time to visit: June to October. 3. Nairobi. Why visit? As the capital city, Nairobi offers a vibrant mix of urban life and wildlife experiences. You can explore the dynamic city life while also visiting wildlife reserves within the city. What to do? Visit the Nairobi National Park, where you can see lions, giraffes and rhinos just a short distance from the city center. Don't miss the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, 4 Elephant Orphans, the Giraffe Center, and the Karen Blixen Museum. Best time to visit: year-round. 4. Lamu Island. Why visit? Lamu is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers a step back in time with its well-preserved Swahili culture, ancient architecture and relaxed pace of life. The island has narrow streets where donkeys are the main mode of transport. What to do? Explore the old town, visit museums, sail on a dhow traditional boat, and relax on the serene beaches. Best time to visit: December to March. 5. Mount Kenya. Why visit? Mount Kenya, the second highest peak in Africa, offers stunning landscapes with glacier, forests, and alpine meadows. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an ideal destination for adventure enthusiasts. What to do? Trekking and climbing are the main activities. The challenging routes lead to breathtaking views, with chances to see unique flora and fauna. Best time to visit: January to February and June to September. 6. Diani Beach. Why visit? Diani Beach is one of Kenya's most famous coastal spots, offering white sandy beaches, turquoise waters, and palm trees. It's ideal for relaxation and water sports. What to do? Kite surfing, snorkeling, diving, and boat tours to see dolphins. You can also explore the nearby Shimba Hills National Reserve. Best time to visit: December to March for the best beach experience. 7. Lake Nakuru National Park. Why visit? Known for its stunning flamingo populations, Lake Nakuru is a bird watcher's paradise. The park also boasts rhinos, lions, leopards, and baboons. What to do? Game drives, bird watching, and visits to the Makele waterfalls. The park offers excellent opportunities to see rhinos up close. Best time to visit: year-round, though flamingo numbers are highest between July and August. 8. Samburu National Reserve. Why visit? This less visited park offers a more rugged, off-the-beaten-path safari experience. Samburu is home to rare species like the grevy's zebra, Somali ostrich, and the reticulated giraffe. What to do? Game drives, bushwalks, and cultural visits to local Samburu villages. The landscape is more arid and offers a different type of wildlife viewing. Best time to visit: June to October. 9. Tsavo National Park. Why visit? Tsavo is divided into east and west, together forming one of the largest national parks in the world. It's famous for its red elephants, volcanic landscapes, and the scenic Lugard Falls. What to do? Game drives, visiting the Yatta Plateau, the world's longest lava flow, and exploring the Mima Springs, where you can see hippos and crocodiles underwater. Best time to visit: June to October. 10. Hell's Gate National Park. Why visit? Hell's Gate is one of the few parks where visitors can walk or cycle among wildlife, including zebras, gazelles, and giraffes. It's also known for its geothermal activity and dramatic landscapes. What to do: hiking, cycling, rock climbing, and visiting the geothermal spa in the nearby Olkaria geothermal station. Best time to visit: year-round, though it's drier and more comfortable between June and October. 11. Lake Naivasha. Why visit? This freshwater lake, surrounded by lush forests, is a peaceful retreat just a few hours from Nairobi. It's popular for boat trips where you can see hippos and various bird species. What to do: boat safaris, hiking around nearby Crater Lake, and exploring Crescent Island, a sanctuary for giraffes, zebras, and antelopes. Best time to visit: June to October. 12. Mombasa. Why visit? Mombasa is Kenya's second-largest city and a coastal hub with a rich blend of cultures, from African to Arabic and Indian. It's a gateway to beautiful beaches and has a fascinating history. What to do: visit Fort Jesus, explore Old Town with its Swahili architecture, enjoy the beaches at Nyali and Bamburi, and take part in water sports. Best time to visit: December to March. 13. Chayulu Hills. Why visit? A hidden gem between Amboseli and Tsavo, Chayulu Hills is a rolling green landscape that offers panoramic views of Mount Kilimanjaro. What to do: hiking, horseback riding, and exploring the lava tubes, which are among the world's longest. 14. The Aberdares. Why visit? The Aberdare Mountains are rich with thick rainforests, waterfalls, and deep ravines. The cool climate and high-altitude scenery are perfect for adventurous visitors. What to do: game drives, trout fishing, and hiking to the scenic Karuru and Gura waterfalls. Best time to visit: June to October for the dry season. Kenya is a destination that truly has something for every kind of traveler, whether you're an adventure seeker, a wildlife enthusiast, or someone looking to relax by the coast. Kenya offers an incredible variety of experiences for travelers, from its world-renowned wildlife safaris in the Masai Mara and Amboseli to the stunning beaches of Diani and Lamu Island. With vibrant cities like Nairobi and Mombasa, adventure-filled destinations like Mount Kenya, and peaceful retreats like Lake Naivasha, the country promises something for everyone. Whether you're seeking cultural exploration, breathtaking landscapes, or unforgettable wildlife encounters, Kenya provides a rich tapestry of opportunities for an unforgettable journey. With its diverse offerings, Kenya is undoubtedly a top destination for any traveler.
Are you looking for entertaining and educational content to watch? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for a variety of interesting videos on topics you love. Join our growing community and never miss out on new uploads. Hit the subscribe button now. Discover new ways to learn and be entertained by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Engage with like-minded viewers and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't miss out, click the subscribe button and be part of our exciting YouTube community.